This is it, it's the finale for the Pan That Face palette project. Last update there was only one shade left. This is how it looked last time. And this is the palette now. Yes, it's empty. I've used it 44 more times since the last update. It was for November and December. We are the 17th when I'm filming this. I mostly used it as a contour shade, but I also used it on my hairline and with powder to make a dry shampoo. I'm happy to have finished it, and I'm also happy to be able to use other products because it was a commitment and I miss variety, but I'm glad I used it up while it was still good, even if I mostly used the shade as powder, foundation, corrector, bronzer and hair products. It was my only contouring product, and now that I got into the habit of contouring every day for the last month of the project, I wonder if I'll miss contouring from now on. To wrap things up, here are the total numbers of uses for each shade. I used the pink shade 65 times, the yellow shade 193 times, the warm brown 114 times, the cool brown 199 times, and the darkest brown 48 times. Now on to the blush challenge. The goal was to use each blush in my collection at least 20 times this year. Last update I was only a few uses away from my goal, so it will be no surprise for you to learn that I've reached and surpassed my goal. I have a total of 505 uses on my blushes. I am over the 20 uses mark for all of my blushes, and it's all thanks to layering and mixing the shades. Let's talk about my most used blushes since the last update a month and a half ago. I used the cream blush that was a depotted lipstick 22 times. I put it in another project, the Deck of Panning, and I even finished it, which is super cool. And I've used my liquid blush 21 times. As you can see, I kept the habit to put a cream blush under a powder one. I used Terra from Benefit 6 times and Harmony from Tarte 6 times also. I had to work on a lot of pink blushes for the last update, so I'm not surprised that I used more brownish peachy shades this time. And here's a ranking of my blushes per use. I don't know what I'm gonna do next year, but I know that I'm not gonna do exactly the same project. Thanks again for all your suggestions that helped me using the palette in so many different ways, and thanks for watching. Bye!